maliwanag pagkatapos nito.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your minds for the most sought-after mind reader in the Philippines, the mental assassin, Justin Piñon!
Step into my office.
Justin,
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay.
All right. So here's what we're gonna do. When I read minds, ang pinaka-importante or for me, yung pinakamahalagang part ng katawan ko are my eyes.
Yes.
Because without my eyes, I cannot observe you, I cannot read your body language. So here's what we're gonna do. Since this is a special morning, I prepared something special for the three of you.
Wow.
I'm going to cover up my eyes. Okay?
Okay.
Not just with this blindfold. Not just with this blindfold, but with this duct tape.
Oy.
So you're gonna...
Masakit yan.
Yes, masakit to. You're gonna help me put duct tapes all over my face until I cannot see. And actually, nag-tear na kami for you para madali na. Hindi na natin kailangan magpunit dito. So,
Sige.
and then, I have here 2 chips. Make sure that they are real. So the reason why I have those chips is I'm gonna put 1 each over my eye para kapag nakalagay na yung mga tape, kahit anong pilit kong buksan, may nakaharang at magiging masakit siya. So nakapikit
So wala
lang ako.
talagang ano,
Yes,
walang puwang.
before the pandemic, coins yan. Pero syempre, meron na tayong safety protocols. Chips na lang ginagamit ko. Kasi kung saan-saan napupunta yung coins.
Okay.
So, actually, tatanggalin ko to. Pag tinanggal ko to, actually, medyo hindi na ako nakakakita.
Actually, pwede na yan. Dahil malabo ang mata.
Yes, so first chip goes here. Babaan natin konti. Yan.
Justin, hindi ba masakit yun?
Uy,
Medyo masakit,
Ala.
pero for you, okay lang. Sa mga kids, ha, don't try this.
don't try
Yes,
this at
don't try
home,
this at
kids.
home.
Professional lang po yung gumagawa nito.
Masakit po ito
mga
at
bata.
matatanggal yung kilay ninyo.
Oo nga, Justin!
Kanina nga nung minake-upan ako, ang dami ng kilay na nilagay. Second coin goes here. And after this, Miss Pia, hindi na po ako makakakita. So, can you please hand me another strip of tape? Dagdagan pa natin.
Here. Oh, meron pa sa
Hala, hindi ba
Yes.
masakit, Justin?
Yan.
Yan. Okay?
Oh,
Yan. Wala na
Another
nilagay
one,
dito.
please.
Meron pa?
Another one?
Oh, let's make sure
Hala,
talaga.
tama na.
This one.
Yes.
Dagdagan pa natin para sigurado. Last.
Ayoko na, sasaktan ka.
Last one para sobrang ano. So please make sure nakadikit lahat. It's okay na hawakan
Yes.
nyo. Yes. Everything intact?
Yes.
Yes. Can you see the cloth over the table?
Yes po.
Yes po. I-blindfold nyo pa po ako para sure kayo na hindi ako nakita. But before that,
Opo.
sinasabi ng mga friends natin na nanonood, baka meron akong listening device. Can you
Wala.
please make
Wala
sure na
po.
wala?
Wala po.
Malinis.
Malinis. Okay. Good thing na malinis nakapaglinis ako.
Okay,
Alright.
yung ilong ba natakpan din? Baka
Hindi naman? Oo, okay.
Naman yung ilong?
Ayun, bumaba na po sa ilong.
Wait na po, baka hindi na makahinga.
Oo,
Ayan.
baka mag-faint ako bigla. So you can tie it up as tightly as you want. Yan.
Hala, Justin, ayaw naming nasasaktan.
Yan.
Okay lang. Yan, okay. Now this is important, ladies. I cannot see underneath.
Oo.
Please make sure wala.
Oh, wala.
Wala, okay. So in a while, I'm going to
Wait,
ask you to
ayusin
do
ko lang,
this.
ha?
Okay. Alright, thank you. Miss Pia, please get any items from here, from the audience, from anybody. 3 items lang. Okay. Miss Diana,
Yeah?
can you see the clipboard over the table? Yung small lang na facing the audience. Take it please, and there should be a Sharpie there. And I want you to draw anything nice and big.
Ay.
Okay? After drawing it, make it simple like a house or a stick man. Okay? So draw anything now. Habang ginagawa nila yung items, kinukuha at nagdodraw si Miss Diana, I'm going to explain to you kung anong yung susubukan ko ngayong umaga na ito.
Okay.
I'm going to demonstrate, sinasabi nila na remote viewing. Ang remote viewing daw is seeing through someone else's eyes. Pero nakaisip ako ng paraan using my human skills to replicate that phenomena. So, everything is everything is human and observation.
Okay, Justin, I'm ready.
Alright,
Yes.
yes, okay, good. Based on how you said yes, parang you are familiar with this. This is an everyday item, am I right?
Yes.
Yes, just wag niyo sabihin sa akin yung item na hawak niya, but can you see the item she's holding? Yes! Oy, based on how you said yes, halos lahat meron nito. Can you see the shape? Yes, I'll go with circle, tama ba? Yes, Miss Pia, can you see the color?
Yes.
Yes, I'll go with silver. Circle, silver, everyday item. Galing ba to sa babae? Yes, an accessory.
Oh.
Galing sa lalaki?
Yes.
Sa lalaki. But is this an accessory?
Yes.
Yes, hindi ako sure kung tama ako. This is just calculated guessing. Am I right in saying that you are holding a ring?
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much. Woo! Next item.
Yes.
Yes, uy. Based on how you said yes, parang not an everyday item, maybe madalas siyang nakatago, but can you see the shape?
Yes.
Yes, marami nag-iisip dito, pahaba. Pahaba ba siya?
Yes.
Hindi mo, pwede matago siguro sa loob ng kamay pero medyo mahaba siya. Can you see the color? Yes, most of you are thinking transparent.
Yes.
Yes, some are thinking parang may white. Di ako sure, may nag-isip dito white,
Yes.
green,
Green.
yellow. May
Yes.
nag-isip ng yellow.
Yes.
Yes. I'm not sure if I'm correct ha. Sana tama ako. I'm right in saying na ang hawak mo is parang, hindi ko alam kung pwede ba magsabi ng brand?
No.
No, parang ano ba siya? parang, parang menthol ba siya na pinapahid?
Yes.
Yes!
2 for 2.
Last item. Yes! Yes, yung pagka-yes mo medyo nahirapan ka pero ito ba yung pinakamabigat dun sa tatlo?
Yes.
Yes, pinakamabigat. Can you see the color?
Yes.
White.
Yes.
Can you see the shape?
Yes.
Uy, may nag-isip na squarish. Ish daw. Squarish, may nag-isip ng pahaba.
Yes.
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 This has something to do with technology.
Yes.
Yes, technology. Maraming may kinalaman sa technology. Sana tama ako. Am I right in saying that you are holding a charger? Yes. Para sa laptop ba yan, na charger?
Yes.
Yes!
What?
Is everybody enjoying? Yes, nag-enjoy ba kayo, ladies?
Yes.
Ako din nag-enjoy.
Medyo na may creep. Creep out.
Miss Emma. Miss Emma. Please, my request is I want you to get any paper bill from the audience, from anybody. If you have there, we can use it. Any paper bill, any denomination, any currency will do. Go. Kahit anong papel na pera. And if you are back here, just say yes or tap me. Kahit anong papel na pera.
Yes!
Thank you
have it?
po.
Okay. Go, nakikita mo ba yung serial number?
Opo.
Yun yung nagpapa-unique sa pera natin. So, iba-iba yung serial number bawat pera. Since ganito sa Pilipinas, based on my knowledge with money sa Pilipinas, 2 letters nag-uumpisa and numbers, tama ba?
Opo.
Can you please think of the first letter? Say yes kapag naisip mo na. Kung mali ako, just say you're wrong. Pero kung tama ako, immediately go to the second letter or the numbers. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you thinking of the first letter?
Yes.
C.
Oh!
Yes?
Yes!
X.
Yes!
0.
Yes!
1.
Yes!
0.
Yes!
7.
Yes!
8.
Yes!
And 8.
Yes!
Yes! Thank you very much!
What?
I'm not sure kung magkano yan. Think of the denomination. Naisip mo na ba yung denomination?
Yes!
Yes. Medyo malaki, not common. I'll go with 200 pesos.
Wow!
Yes! Woo! One last thing.
Justin, marami kang kailangan ipaliwanag pagkatapos nito.
Ito sobrang hirap nito gawin kasi pinag-aralan ko to around 17 years. Sobrang tagal na. At sobrang hirap talaga nito. But this is the hardest part. Yung pagtanggal ng duct tape sa pagbumuka ko. Alam niyo na kung bakit ako kalbo?
Dahan-dahan lang. Kailangan nyo rin
At saka kung bakit paubos na yung kilay ko.
Oy, Justin.
Ano
Thank
bang
you very
pwedeng
much.
i-substitute dyan?
Actually, wala. Kasi lahat sinasabi nila, baka nakakakita ako. So, ginawa ko ng tape para sure na hindi nakakakita
And
talaga.
chips
And
pa,
chips.
oo.
Now, Miss Diana, I'm going to try to read your mind. Okay? Now, because I'm going to try to guess or figure out kung ano yung deno mo dyan. So, make sure na hindi ko siya nasisilip or nakikita. And in order for me to do that, I have to be inside of your head first. Kailangan malaman ko kung paano mag-isip ang isang Diana para kung malaman ko kung ano yung deno niya
Okay.
for this morning. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, based on how you look at me and how you react, I can sense that you are a type of person na you are in a state of your life right now that you go through things day by day. Important sa'yo yung present. There was a time in your life na lagi kang tumitingin sa past or future, but right now you are living in the moment.
Yeah.
Yes. You just love to be happy right now. You want to surround yourself with happy people. And most of the time, people sinasabi sa'yo, alam mo, parang you light up my life.
Yeah, I hear
Yeah?
that. That's true.
Sana Sana tama ako. Close your eyes. Yan. And I'm gonna tell you if you can open it now. Sana tama ako. Nakikita nyo, pero huwag niyo sabihin ha kung... I'm not spot on with drawings, pero kung close, sana ma-appreciate ninyo kasi hindi talaga ako magaling mag-drawing. Okay, Miss Diana, you may
Pareho
open your
tayo,
eyes. Teka.
Side by side.
Yeah, dito tayo. Open your eyes. Now, when I count to 3, sabay natin ipapakita sa viewers natin, sa mga kada natin.
yes.
Yeah. Kung ano yung dinawin mo at kung ano yung dinawin mo.
Okay.
Napatagal ko kasi kinakabahan ako. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Hoy! Hoy!
Grabe!
Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, paliwanag time,
Ang konting
Justin.
ganyan.
You may keep this?
Thank you! Asan na yung presinto? Grabe. So, Justin, ano pa yung mga iba pang practical applications nitong skill na meron ka?
So, hindi lang sa work, hindi lang sa pag-perform, kundi pati sa personal lives nyo.
Oh,
Kasi,
kung may nag-cheat sa relationship,
May
pwede
cheat-
namin
may
itanong
nagche-cheat.
sa'yo.
Yep, may nag-cheat or may tinatago or may mga tao kasi na hindi natin ma-distinguish kung paano ba siya mag-isip. Kasi may tinatawag na NLP or Neuro-Linguistic Programming.
Can
Save
you give us your number?
Just
Just will tell you when we feel suspicious about our, just kidding.
Sure.
Pero syempre, you don't, alam mo yung sa, di ba, sa parang mga movies, kung saan they use it for personal gain.
Correct.
Oh, yeah.
I tried it. Ayoko yung naging result.
Oo. And you don't entertain people who ask you to
Yes,
do that.
yes.
Halimbawa, lalabas bukas.
Yun, ayoko. Actually, hindi ko talaga nakikita yan. Hindi ko alam kasi I cannot see the future.
Halimbawa, boxing match.
Ayoko
Sino
din.
mananalo?
Sports,
It has something to do with future, so hindi ko malalaman.
Okay. So yung nandito, talent search daw.
May mga nasalihan lang naman ako na iilan, pero
Grabe.
I don't think it's for me.
Oo. Do you encourage people to have some sort of knowledge dito sa pagiging mentalist?
Yeah, kung gusto niyo maging katulad ko na mentalist, tara, samahan niyo ako para dumami tayo, no? So, and kung interesado kayo, just contact me. I have my social media. Just look for me on Facebook, Justin Piñon, Instagram, Justin Piñon, TikTok, nandun yung mga videos ko. Magtanong lang kayo doon and I'll be more than willing and happy to help you out.
Sige, isa kami sa mga magtatanong.
Galing. Justin, amazing.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Nagulat kami doon talaga. At kung si Superman nga can read your mind, si Super Justin din, hindi lang mind mo, kundi pati na rin ang laman ng wallet mo.
Totoo ba yun? Buti wala kaming wallet.
Salamat, Justin, sa pag-share ng talent at skills. Palakpakan po natin, The Mentalist.
Thank you.
Justin
Thank you.
Piñon.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me.
Justin.
Nag-enjoy ako.
Kami rin,
Thank you.
super. Oh, napawaw ba kayo doon, mga kada?
Wow na wow.
Mind-blowing.
Oo, mas marami pang magpapawaw sa atin, kaya wala munang aayaw. Hulaan nyo kung magbabalik pa kami.
Prediction ko, babalik tayo.
Ayun, babalik after commercial, diba?
At babalik ako.
Yan lang po kayo magbabalik pang kada umaga.